Hey, you own this legendary Logitech G9X laser gaming mouse, but its cable is dead and the mouse doesn't work. Please don't cry. Just buy a new replacement cable and bring your Logitech gaming mouse back to life. To disassemble the mouse, remove both pads, unscrew all 4 Phillips head screws, and carefully open the mouse housing. Then disconnect the flat cable. Here is the cable that needs to be removed and replaced. I'm still waiting for my replacement cable, but I hope you get the idea. Just disconnect the old cable, connect the new one, reassemble the mouse, but don't forget to reconnect the flat cable, and you're back to gaming. The second option is to cut off the old USB plug and solder on any USB data cable, but it's a more complicated repair and requires tools. It's better to replace the entire cable with a new replacement one.